In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best trailer hitch available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The CURT 13333 trailer hitch is built to accommodate a wide range of towing applications. It is compatible with all vehicles, including full-size cars, vans, trucks, and SUVs. These Class 3 trailer hitches are ideal for towing fish boats, ATVs, and utility trailers, as well as giving additional storage in the event that you want to tow a hitch-mounted cargo carrier or a bike rack for the road. The hitch is custom-made to fit each car, making installation simple and straightforward for any family. It has been tested to give a weight carrying capacity of 6,000 pounds GTW and 600 pounds TW, according to official protocol. With a weight distribution of 10,000 pounds WD and 1,000 pounds WDTW, the hitch may be used with any weight distributing hitch to provide a stable towing experience. It also features a 2 inches tube aperture for any ball mount with a 2 by 2 inches shank to be inserted. The hitch is handcrafted in the United States to ensure a high-quality design and finish, as well as a perfect fit. There are several reasons why we choose the Class 3 Draw-Tite hitch, but the fact that it delivers a segment-leading 675-pound tongue weight capability with a 4,500-pound gross trailer weight towing capacity was the key one. In a package built for small SUVs like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V, compact vehicles like the Subaru Impreza, and minivans, the Draw-Tite is designed to fit practically every popular model, which sweetens the offer. The high tongue weight of 675 pounds across most vehicle applications is a big benefit of this hitch since it allows smaller vehicles to carry larger and heavier items without the use of a trailer. The hitch will easily transport motorcycles and cargo carriers without the need for additional capacity for safety and security. If Draw-Tite determines that a failure occurred, a limited lifetime warranty guarantees replacement for workmanship defects. The low towing capacity of 4,500 pounds is a minor flaw, but this hitch is clearly geared at hitch-mounted accessories while not sacrificing much in terms of towing. Reese Towpower is a well-known name when it comes to trailer and towing accessories, and they provide a large selection of hitches. A Class 3 starter kit, which comprises a ball mount, hitch ball, pin, and clip, is recommended. Designed for exceptional strength, the corporation fights rust and corrosion with a technology called Metal Shield. It's essentially a protective covering that lasts for years against the environment. These chrome hitch balls are made of solid steel and have been designed to comply with all safety regulations. Measuring 8 inches long, this kit will fit 2 inches hitch box openings, and the ball itself has a 2 inches diameter. This kit comes with a 5 by 8 inches pin and clip, as well as a 2 inches drop and 3 by 4 inches rise. It's rated at a maximum 6 pounds capacity. If this item does not meet your needs, be sure to look at the other of the brand's products. This CURT Class 3 trailer hitch is designed to fit a certain vehicle make and model, ensuring a perfect fit and easy towing. This is a receiver hitch, not a ball hitch, thus it can accept a ball or towing hook. It can also assist with the installation of a bike rack, hitch cargo carrier, or anything else you need to place on your vehicle. This hitch has a 4,000-pound capacity, which is a little less than other, heavier duty types, but still enough to tow a large trailer like a camper or RV. It also features a tongue weight capacity of 400 pounds and is weight distribution hitch compatible for smoother, more level towing. Because it is suited to a single vehicle, it is simple to install and decreases the chance of any road accidents caused by a bad fit. This trailer hitch's body has a black powder finish that is rust-proof, weather-resistant, and chip-resistant. It comes with a CURT lifetime warranty, so you can be sure you'll get plenty of usage out of it. The B&W trailer hitch's tow and stow can be just what you need if you're seeking for a long-lasting trailer hitch. This powerful hitch can pull up to 10,000 pounds and is height adjustable for exactly level hauling. However, when it comes to assistance, you'll appreciate what this device has to offer, as it comes with a lifetime warranty. In addition to the hitch's endurance and functionality, this might provide you with additional peace of mind. This trailer hitch has a 5 inches drop and fits a 2.5 inches receiver and is made of alloy steel with a powder-coated finish for enhanced protection. You'll get 2 balls for increased towing adaptability, as well as a 5 inches drop to assist you adjust to varying trailer heights. Please keep in mind that this hitch does not come with a hitch pin, so you'll need to purchase one separately in order for it to work properly. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.